8 signs a guy is already addicted to you. Hi everyone, Kyle here, and I can't wait to discuss our topic in today's video. You've probably experienced those moments, the ones where you're wondering if the guy who's caught your attention is as into you as you are into him, or if he's just playing around. What if I told you there are distinct signs that can reveal if a guy is really, utterly addicted to you? Well, it's true. In this video, we'll explore 8 signs that hint a guy is totally hooked on you. These signs go beyond the ordinary hallmarks of interest and uncover some surprising behaviors that can help discern if a guy is genuinely captivated by you. So whether you're in a full-blown relationship or just dipping your toes into the dating pool, these indicators will assist you in figuring out if a guy is genuinely invested in you and your shared future. Oh, and please make sure you don't miss out on the final part, where I'll be revealing the ultimate sign that he's totally hooked on you. Before we get going, if you're joining us for the first time, please press that red button to subscribe to the channel and comment, "I've subscribed," so I can thank you. Number 8. He's mirroring your moves. Mirroring. It's a cool physiological trick that can spill the beans on how someone feels about you. When a guy is totally hooked, he might subconsciously copy your behaviors to build rapport and connection. Mirroring can show up in various ways, such as mimicking your body language, tone of voice, or even your gestures. Say, for example, you're sitting with your arms crossed. He might do just the same. When you flash a smile, he's quick to return it. He may even adopt phrases and expressions that you frequently use. This behavior often slips out subconsciously and can indicate that he's intrigued by you. But there's more to mirroring. It also fosters trust and makes you feel comfy and relaxed around him. When someone mirrors your behavior, it sparks a feeling of comfort and familiarity, like you've been buddies forever. So if you catch him copying your moves, it's a solid sign that he's totally smitten and is keen on strengthening that bond. Number 7. He remembers the little things about you. When a guy's totally addicted to you, he'll hang on to every detail about you. He might remember tiny nuggets of information you dropped casually, like your all-time favorite book or movie, or a random story you shared weeks ago. These seemingly tiny details might go unnoticed by most, but to someone who's into you, they're little treasures. The fact that he remembers these little things shows his interest and appreciation for you. It's a clear sign that he's not just hearing, but truly listening to you, and is genuinely invested in your stories and experiences. This kind of attention can make you feel truly seen and cherished, and let's be honest, it's super attractive. Moreover, his knack for remembering these bits and pieces about you points to a deeper emotional connection. It's his way of saying he wants to know you, the real you, not just some superficial version. So if he's holding on to minute details about you, it's a good sign that he's totally addicted and is looking at a serious, long-term connection with you. Number 6. He's a master of surprises. When a guy is completely hooked, he often wants to see you happy and feeling special. One way he might show you is by surprising you. It could be something as simple as getting your favorite morning coffee, or something grand like planning a surprise weekend trip. When someone goes out of their way to surprise you, it's a clear sign that they care deeply for you and want you to feel loved and cherished. It also shows that their willingness to step out of their comfort zone just to put a smile on your face. Surprises can also act as a love language, fostering affection and strengthening bonds. It brings a sense of excitement and anticipation, which can be ridiculously enticing. Plus, it's a chance to create a fresh, memorable moment together, deepening your connection and making your relationship all the more meaningful. So if he's putting in effort to surprise you, it's a solid sign he's already addicted to you and is keen on making you happy. It shows he's thinking long-term and is ready to pull out all the stops to make it work. Number 5. He's all ears about your life. When a guy's head over heels, he's genuinely fascinated by your life and all that you share. He'll be all ears when it comes to your day, your work, your hobbies, and even your dreams. His curiosity is a clear sign that he wants to dive deeper into understanding you and forge a strong emotional bond. For instance, he might eagerly ask about your day and attentively listen to every detail of your story. He's likely to chime in with thoughtful questions, showing that he's not just hearing, but actively engaged in the conversation. Plus, he might recall tidbits from your previous chats, asking about the progress of your projects or how that goal you set is coming along. Beyond that, he'll be curious about what sets your heart alight, your passions and your hobbies. He might even take a shot at those activities you love as a way to show his support and connect with you on a deeper level. This genuine interest in your life says that he cares for you as a whole, not just as someone to pass the time with. He's eager to know all about you and be a part of your world. It shows that he values your thoughts, experiences, and emotions, and he's willing to put in the effort to build a strong, solid emotional connection with you. Number 4. A touch of jealousy. Let's set the record straight. Jealousy can be a tricky emotion in relationships, but when a guy's totally smitten, he might show a bit of jealousy. This could be a sign of his deep attachment to you and the fear of losing you to someone else. For instance, you might feel a twinge of possessiveness if you're spending time with other guys, even if they're just friends. He could show curiosity about who you're chatting with or hanging out with when he's not around. While an excess of this can be a red flag, a healthy amount might just mean that he thinks the world of you and doesn't want to lose you. However, it's crucial to have open and honest conversations about jealousy in a relationship. If he's expressing his jealousy in a healthy way, it could simply show that he's really into you and afraid of losing you. But if his jealousy tips into controlling or abusive behavior, it's important to address it right away. In the end, trust and respect are the cornerstones of a healthy relationship. If he's really smitten, he should respect your space and trust your affection for him. If you feel his jealousy is becoming an issue, it's crucial to have a chat about it and find ways to build trust and strengthen your emotional bond. Number 3, he's on a mission to make you giggle. When a guy's addicted to you, he'd move mountains just to see you beam with joy and laughter. And one way he'll do this? By becoming your personal comedian. He'll pull all the stops to find something special that'll tickle your funny bone and get you giggling. For example, he might dish out jokes or hilarious anecdotes, put on silly impersonations, or even make himself the butt of the joke, just to hear your laughter. He'll be tuned in to your reactions, quietly noting what makes you giggle, so he can bring that joy to you over and over again. And let's not forget, sharing a laugh is like sharing a little slice of happiness. It's a surefire way to build a joyful, intimate connection. Plus, laughter is a fantastic stress buster, making it a win-win for any relationship. Moreover, if he's always on a quest to make you laugh, it shows he's comfortable around you and cherishes every moment he spends with you. Laughter has the magic of making even the ordinary seem extraordinary. So if he's finding joy in the simplest moments with you, it's a sure sign that he's head over heels for you. Number 2, he's keen to hang out with your friends. If he's eager to meet your friends, it's a clear sign that he values your social circle and is keen on being part of your life in a substantial way. He might express curiosity about your friends, their interests, and even propose a fun group hangout. This shows that he's genuinely interested in getting to know the people who matter to you, and he's willing to make the effort to do so. Plus, wanting to get to know your friends is a sign that he wants to immerse himself in your world. He's keen to understand what's important to you and wants to be a part of your life in a meaningful way. It speaks volume about his commitment to the future with you and his vision of being part of your support system. Number 1, he's already penciling you into his future plans. The ultimate sign that he's totally hooked on you? He's already sketching out plans for your shared future. This signifies he's picturing a long-haul journey with you, and he's fully committed to building a lasting relationship. He might be dropping hints about future events or milestones he's excited to share with you, like planning an exotic vacation, daydreaming about festive holiday celebrations, or even talking about cohabiting. This shows he's deeply invested in your relationship and can't picture a future that doesn't have you in it. Making future plans isn't just about daydreaming together, though. It's also about his dedication. It proves he's seriously into your relationship and is ready to invest time and effort into crafting a beautiful life together. He's not taking things lightly, and he's up for doing whatever it takes to make your relationship thrive. Summing things up, if you're playing detective, try to decipher a guy's really into you. These are the signs you should be on the lookout for. Remember, everyone expresses their feelings in unique ways, so not all these signs might be evident with every guy. Found today's video helpful? Brilliant. I'm sure you'll find these next 2 videos just as valuable. Go ahead, click on either one of them next.